Baitcasting fishing reels are an excellent choice for anglers who want ultimate control over their casts and the ability to handle larger fish. There are many products available to choose baitcasting fishing reels, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best baitcasting fishing reels from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Casking Centron Light Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Casking Centron Light Baitcasting Reel is an ultra-light and ultra-powerful reel designed for longer casts. It features 5 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings, a 10-magnet braking system, and a maximum drag of 15.4 lb. The CNC anodized aluminum spool has standard braided line capacity lbides 12 lb 180 ids, 15 lb 145 ids, 20 lb 120 ids, standard monoline capacity lbides 8 lb 90 ids, 10 lb 80 ids, 12 lb 55 ids. This reel is perfect for anglers looking for longer casting distance and a smooth, reliable performance. Number 2. Casking Royale Legend Roman 2 Baitcasting Reels. The Casking Royale Legend Roman 2 Baitcasting Reel is a compact-size, low-profile baitcaster fishing reel with a concealed side cover release, making it comfortable even after long days of fishing. It features a double bearing-supported pinion gear technology, a faster and lighter gear ratio, a quadruple disc carbon drag, and a crossfire magnetic braking system. Perfect for novice anglers, it offers a great value with its high-end features and incredibly low price. Number 3. Piscifun Torrent Roman 2 Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Piscifun Torrent Roman 2 reel is a sleek and stylish baitcasting reel that offers excellent durability and performance. With its innovative design, including a matte gray body and comfortable even knobs, this reel is perfect for your next fishing trip. The CNC aircraft-grade hardened, anodized aluminum main gear and brass pinion gear provide exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and impact resistance, allowing you to battle trophy fish with confidence. The Torrent Roman 2 comes in different gear ratios and sizes, making it suitable for various fishing techniques. It features an easily adjustable external magnetic brake and advanced carbon fiber drag system, providing a powerful and smooth drag. With its lightweight and low-profile design, the Torrent Roman 2 offers a comfortable and efficient fishing experience. Number 4. Piscifun Torrent Baitcaster Fishing Reel. The Piscifun Torrent Baitcasting Fishing Reel is a powerful and durable reel that simplifies operation with its magnetic braking system. It has a fast retrieve and 2 gear ratios to choose from, 531 and 711, making it suitable for a variety of techniques. It also features a unique side plate oil port for easy maintenance. Number 5. Piscifun Carbon XCS Baitcaster Reel. The Piscifun Carbon XCS reel is a high-performance baitcasting fishing reel that offers unrivaled casting performance. Its unique dual brake system combines the benefits of both magnetic and centrifugal brakes, providing even braking force during long casts and eliminating backlash. With its ultra-lightweight carbon fiber construction, weighing only 5.5 oz, it offers a comfortable fishing experience. The reel features high-quality internal gears made from 70-75 aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring smooth operation and increased strength. It is also equipped with 7+1 stainless steel bearings for an ultra-smooth retrieve. The Carbon XCS reel has an 8:1:1 high gear ratio, allowing for faster retrieval and improved casting efficiency. Overall, this reel is designed to enhance your casting distance, accuracy, and fishing experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.